Chris Sosnowski will join her. He is helping to automate technologies, can bring them online, give them visibility to assets within a week at a cost less than a cell phone bill, amazingly. Why wouldn't every utility be automated when we have that opportunity? And 30% of utilities are advanced digitally. We're thrilled to have Chris here sharing more on how any utility can get up to speed with digital transformation and connecting their assets. So Chris, over to you.
Wonderful. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, depending on where you are. And thank you, Mary and team. I'm excited to be here. Love hanging out with the Global Waterworks folks. We always have interesting conversations, and just a shameless plug. Mary didn't ask me to plug, but I am going to plug that I have found that conversations with the Global Waterworks folks are some of the most engaging. I think it's hard on these Zoom conversations to have honest, transparent conversations, but this is a spot where I felt comfortable in the past doing that. So with that, I'm going to share a little bit just about my professional and personal thesis, which I kind of view my work a little bit as an intersection between my kind of personal and professional. And our big question is, where are utilities on their digital journey? And kind of with the added, like, really, where are utilities in their digital journey? And so when we get into our breakout discussion, we're going to talk a lot about humans, and because we actually think that a lot of times the focus is on software and hardware and all the gadgets and the things that we have to do to become digital. But a lot of this comes down to people. And I like to take pictures. I tour water and wastewater plants across the world. And this picture I just took, I think it was the end of last summer. Actually, if you're from the Midwest, you can tell what month it is by the height of the corn. So this is a utility in Indiana, and they serve actually a pretty large population. The water plant was built near some source wells in the middle of a cornfield. But this is digital. So this is inside their plant, and they have a pretty substantial SCADA system. This is a pretty modern utility from all respects. This picture does make me giggle because you can see our shameless promotional material from Waterly in the lower right-hand corner there. But this is digital. So obviously they have tons of sensors, tons of flow meters all over the place. And if you look just to the right of this six-figure automation and SCADA system, you find the culmination of digital in 90% of the utilities in the US, which is paper. And so we're going to talk a little bit about why people end up here, despite the best available technology and the best available digital everything. And I think that just the simple truth that we like to kind of go after is that the utility industry, solution industry, we spend 98% of our energies going after 2% of the market because we want to be wealthy more than we actually want to fix water. And I guess the discussion has got to start with some honesty that wealth and profit drive a lot of us desiring to fix water. And just quite honestly, I think that that's wrong. So we're going to challenge some of that and talk about it, because we think that digital solutions must start simple. Then they must be delivered with education, affordable, supportable, durable, and compatible. So with that, I'll stop sharing and tap the next person in line. And maybe I've whetted your appetite, pun intended. Don't let me drown you in my water puns. And turn it over to the next person.